Check disk. What is it? Check disk is a command line tool that checks the health of the drive itself. It looks for file system errors, directory problems, and signs of physical disk damage, like bad sectors. This is different from SFC/scannow, which repairs Windows system files. SFC fixes the operating system, while check disk focuses on the storage device the operating system lives on.
When would you run this command? Here are some system conditions that would warrant the running of the check disk command: slow performance, missing or corrupted files, system crashes after improper shutdown, clicking noises, or other suspected drive issues.
What to look for in the command output? Hopefully, the command will return a message indicating no problems found. Your disk is healthy. However, the output could indicate any of the following: file system errors, which indicate that corruption is present, bad sectors, which indicates a possible failing drive, or large index or security descriptor errors, which do indicate file system damage. Running check disk is a simple way to stay ahead of disk problems before they turn into data loss or downtime. A quick scan like this helps confirm the drive is healthy, and doing it periodically keeps the system reliable for whoever's using it next. I'm running check disk on a Windows 11 Pro virtual machine that's installed from an ISO image. I didn't use any repair switches like switch F or switch R, so this scan is running in read-only mode. That means it checks the disk for problems, but doesn't try to fix anything.
Let's take a look at the output line by line.
Stage 1. Examining basic file system structure. Stage 1 checks the master file table, basically the index of every file on the drive. 303,872 file records processed. This is the total number of file entries check disk scanned. File verification completed. Stage 1 finished without finding structural problems. 20,494 large file records processed. These are files that require extra metadata. Check disk is confirming they're valid. 0 bad file records processed. This is good. No corrupted file entries. Stage 2. Examining file name linkage. Stage 2 checks directory structure, how files are linked to folders. 11,596 reparse records processed. Reparse points include shortcuts, symbolic links, and OneDrive placeholders. 415,466 index entries processed. This is check disk scanning all directory entries. Index verification completed. No directory corruption found. 0 unindexed files scanned. Nothing was out of place or orphaned. 0 unindexed files recovered to lost and found. Since nothing was orphaned, nothing needed recovery. Stage 3. Examining security descriptors. Stage 3 checks file permissions and security attributes. Security descriptor verification completed. No permission-related corruption detected. 55,798 data files processed. This is the number of files whose security attributes were checked. USN journal check. Check disk is verifying USN journal. The USN journal tracks changes to files. It's used by indexing and backup tools. 41,028,152 USN bytes processed. This shows the size of the journal that was scanned. USN journal verification completed. No issues found. Final summary and disk statistics. Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. This is exactly what you want to see. The file system is healthy. No further action is required. Since this was a read-only scan, CHKDSK is confirming that nothing needs repair.
Disk information is gathered and reported for your viewing.
Running CHKDSK is one of those simple but essential system checks that helps keep a workstation healthy. These quick diagnostics make a big difference. They let you spot file system issues early, confirm the drive is stable, and prevent small problems from turning into downtime for the user. Regular checks like this are a core part of maintaining a reliable Windows environment. Well, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Visit the channel for similar demonstrations. Goodbye for now.